Hi, I'm here to show you how to achieve that soft everyday makeup look. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve today. It's going to be like a detailed makeup. I'm going to be talking throughout the video. Let's get into this video. So the first thing I apply on my face is my serum. This is a sample size. I don't know, I think this is not like giving bright or something. I don't know what this stuff is giving today. Just giving some kind of weird vibe. Why? I like to put more serum under my eye because I'm going to be using more product under the eye. I'm going to be using my foundation, my concealer, my setting powder, all those stuff under my eye. So I like putting like a lot, not like too much though, a lot here. I don't know where this accent is actually coming from today, but I just feel like today is a good day. I just want to try to talk with you guys from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. For me, it's not actually going to be easy because I'm not actually someone that actually likes talking for a very long time, and I think I'm going to be talking for like, let's see, maybe 2 hours or almost 2 hours. But yeah, it's just when like chat, talk, and whatever. I don't even have anything for us to talk about. But yeah, I just feel like I should try to talk with you guys. So, see me, I went to carry foundation instead of primer. Like, I'm going to apply my LA Girl. Okay. So I'm going to apply my primer. So I'm just going to let this to sit for a bit, and now I'm just going to go draw my eyebrow. I don't know what this video is giving today. I feel like my video is not looking like focused. I feel like it's kind of blurry. I've actually tried to fix it, but it's not fixing. It's not fixing. I don't know what else to do. So we're just going to have to manage this video this way. I hope it's not as bad as it looks now when I'm done editing, because if I keep looking at the quality of this video today, I would not film anything. I will not film anything today because this is just like, so yo, I just put something here. I think this looks better, but the only thing is you guys are going to be seeing this white stuff. For my foundation, I'm going to take my Zico foundation, Zico Even True foundation in the shade tan, and I just take very little, like just this little, and I'm just going to spread that on my face. I took a little bit of another foundation, a darker shade, because this Zico foundation is a little bit like too warm for my skin. Just gonna mix that and just spread that all over my face. Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but now I'm taking my damp beauty sponge. I'm just going to use that to clean off the foundation on the back of my palm. So now I'm just going to go in with my concealer. I love this concealer so much. Like, it's very lightweight. Just going to apply just a little. This is actually even too much. Just a need to take from here and apply here, take from here, apply here. And that will be all. That will be all you need, babe. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Actually, kind of like upset. Like I am upset with this thing that my phone is doing today, or with this thing that the weather is doing, or with this thing that light is doing. Thank God I have a power bank, because if they are taking this light like this, or if they're taking this light and bringing it back the way they're doing it today, I don't even know how I'll be able to film. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand at all. Okay, now it's time to go in with our setting powder. I'm just taking my setting powder, and this is my setting powder. I'm taking my powder puff. I'm just going to use this, and I'm just gonna just dust that off under my eye. What's it going? All depend. They can ride the boat. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? All depend. So next, I'm taking my brown powder. I'm just gonna just take a little bit, dust it, and just apply it here. Just very, very lightly. Next, I am going to go in with my ZKL palette, where we have our blush, we have our powder, we have our highlighter. So I'm going to take my bronzer. Next, I'm going to take blush. I'm not going to take too much. I'm just going to use this shade. ZKL Cosmetics. Are you guys seeing me? You guys should send me makeup. Send me makeup. Send me PR. Like, I love ZKL so much. Like, their products are really nice. I'd actually really love to work with Zaron Cosmetics. Yeah. For the eye, I'm going to use lashes, but if you do not want to use lashes, you don't have to use the lashes, baby. Then I want to like do eyeshadow. This part too is optional. You do not have to use an eyeshadow if you do not want to. I'm going to be using my palette from Bimide Adore. This is their only eyeshadow palette that I have. They sent this to me as PR, and since I got this palette, I have been obsessed with this palette. I use this palette every single time because you have all the colors that you need. Like, the palette is just so versatile. You have shimmy colors, you have matte colors, you have everything colors, everything you want to do with your eyeshadow you have here. So I just want to like do something a little on my eye. So as I said before, this is like very subtle. I'm not doing too much. So on my eye, I'm not going to put concealer on my eye. Usually I would have used concealer on my eyelids to make it look like clean, but today I'm going to be using brown, so I want it to like blend in with my natural eyelid color and blending with this dewiness on my eye, so it will look natural. It will just look like I did not even apply anything on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with this shade, and I'm just going to apply that first around the side of my eye. We don't want to do it too much, don't forget, but we just want it to like be a little bit darker than our natural lids. Can you imagine? They just brought back the light again. Like, these people, they're just confusing themselves, not me though. I'm just gonna use my finger to just tap and blend the edge of the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna blend it into the side, like into my skin. Just gonna blend. I'm just lining my lip. Now I'm just gonna take my lip gloss. I mean my lip butter from Sage. Okay, so it's time to accessorize. Let's accessorize together. So I want to like wear this